In this video, we're gonna tour the brand new 2020 Forest River Sandpiper 384Qbok with new color scheme, bunks, and 2 bathrooms.
Welcome back to the RV Odd Couple. My name is John.
And I'm Mercedes. Long story short, we sold most of our possessions in pursuit of freedom, independence, and adventure.
Because life is so short.
It is. In this video, we're gonna tour the brand new 2020 Forest River 384Qbok with a new color scheme, bunks, and 2 bathrooms.
This unit is absolutely beautiful, you guys. Enjoy the video.
Like this a lot. This is awesome.
Look at the new stove, babe.
I know. This stove is so much bigger than my current stove.
Open the oven.
Ooh, I could fit a turkey in here.
We can fit a turkey in that stove.
Oh my goodness.
The new LG inverter linear, which is a new line that Forest River's putting in all their RVs. The refrigerator is absolutely huge. Honey, stand in front of that fridge so we can get some. The only thing it's missing is a bag of donuts, guys.
Oh no, it doesn't have the donuts. Wow, this is big.
Yeah, this is huge, guys. Look at the size of this refrigerator, you guys.
That's big.
This thing is absolutely huge.
Yeah. This is the same.
And then it's got a nice little island. We can't break the tape, but that's a single sink.
Yep.
One large farmer sink. Okay, and then you've got your little...
Now this is interesting because this goes really tall. Now I'm pretty tall and I can barely reach this, but this is good for those things that you don't use that often.
It's really deep.
I like the fact that it's deep, but I like the fact that it's not too deep. I can still access everything. Because once it's like over 24 inches deep, you just don't get anything, you know? I love these. Our current Sandpiper has these. So I'm a big fan of these.
So there's 3 of them right to the floor, and you even have some storage on the very bottom.
Yep.
Down there.
So this is bigger than the pantry I currently have right now. I like that. That's a plus.
Yep. In the front of the island. It's right here.
Ooh, it has the pretty blue lights, just like mine.
And then we'll shoot it from this side. This is where...
Sage thinks this is a seatbelt, so you can strap your kids here when you're driving. Just kidding, don't do that.
Yeah, and so just like our Sandpiper now, underneath these seats is some really nice storage. Pull it out real quick, babe.
So this is about the same.
Yeah, great storage area. That's where we keep a lot of our dry goods when we camp, and you've got one on each side. The ceilings seem a lot higher in this rig, don't they?
Yeah, they do. But check this out. This window is huge.
Yeah, this side window is absolutely
huge. I really like
huge.
this big window.
That window is almost as big as the window that we have in the rear of our unit right now, which we love.
I like this. I like this having 3. This is pretty good size. I like this a lot.
And that's a pull-out couch. That's a pull-out queen.
Yep.
And pull all the way out.
Yep.
And then you've got this kind of little hutch-looking thing over there.
Yep. I'm gonna open it up. I like this a lot. This is good storage. This is good use of this wall. Now here's something I really like compared to what we have.
Yeah, this new control panel.
Look at this.
It looks absolutely phenomenal, guys, and it looks like you can actually individually pick which slide goes in and out. On the Forest River we have right now, we actually have to go through a cycle. And they were talking to me at in the production line yesterday. Joshua was telling me about new sensors that they're putting in that are doing a much better job of giving you true readings when it comes to your tank.
So this, I definitely think is a plus.
Yep.
Now the entertainment center, this TV is bigger than the one we currently have.
Yep. It's a 50-inch.
Although we're trying to watch less TV, and we're doing a good job at watching less TV, it's still really cool having that so big. I like this storage.
Yep.
I wish that, I almost wish that this were like taller.
Or higher.
Or switched, but this is still really nice.
And honestly, the fireplace is pretty, but what you really want it for is to throw the heat. And they do a really good job at throwing heat.
Yep.
Also has a ceiling fan.
Look at this. I love this.
Yeah, it's a new fixture for this year.
I mean, you could potentially hang utensils off of here, although you have to be careful because I don't like the look of too many things hanging, but you get the right pieces hanging and you can make it look really tasteful.
It could look really nice. All right, let's go back and see Mercedes' favorite part of this rig.
All right,
that is what could potentially be Sage's room. Look at the cabinet space, guys.
2, 3, and 4. So this is phenomenal. It's not super deep, but it's deep enough. I mean, it's not super deep. I like this little closet, especially for kids' clothes. You could give them a TV here, although I don't know. This would be great for like shoes or something. I love this. This is so smart to use the space.
Yeah, especially for a kid's room. And if we would, you can see the drawers here.
Yep. I'm gonna close this and open the door.
I would safely say this is definitely about, I'd say 14 inches deep, which is pretty good.
Yeah. And then
on this side, this is what we have now in her bedroom, which is a futon on the bottom bed. And then this top bunk slips down.
And then there's a pad that goes over here.
Pad that goes on the top.
One thing that they did better that I like a lot is that in ours, this has like a metal thing that I don't like. A kid could get hurt. So they did a really good job
at beefing that up to hold it. Yeah.
This is so safe for kids. This is awesome. Although you would have to make sure things don't fall. But this is really smart right here.
Yeah, great for books.
And this little ledge right here, it does make such a big difference in keeping things in there.
Sliding in and out.
Now, Sage already asked me to put the ladder up. So this is just, kids like see this and they just gravitate towards it. They just want to climb up here.
This is a really, really cute little room. And then also in this model, Sage is going to have, or would have if we choose it,
her own?
Yeah, she would have her own little bathroom. Turn the light on in there, babe. Really big cabinet in there. So this just is it's a 3/4 bath. It's a toilet and a little sink, but again,
good storage.
Good depth, good storage underneath here. And then nice space up here for that cabinet. And this actually also has its own door to the outside. So there's 2 doors on this unit. Alright, let's walk up to the master bedroom.
So, you know what's funny? This is the exact same layout that we currently have, but it looks so much bigger just because of the lighter colors.
Yep. But it's the same bathroom. We like it. There's a lot of storage in here. This cabinet goes pretty deep.
And then this is also a cute space too.
And then you've got a little storage underneath the sink.
And the shower has a bench so you can sit down.
Alright, go in the bedroom.
Alright. Now to the
This
bedroom.
is almost the exact same thing as our Sandpiper 384Qbok. The difference is it's a little bit more narrow. We have a king bed. This is a queen, it looks like.
But it looks bigger because of the lighter finishes.
Drawers, open that closet. Of course, washer and dryer ready.
Let me do this.
Yeah, you guys can see, you got that nice little deep thing in there. Oh, there's the new king online router system, so you can
that's
actually
smart.
connect your network to the rig when you're, whenever you're in your whatever location you're at, your network is connected. It's really cool.
And this closet right here is awesome for linens because it's out of the way. I like that.